question that got asked in one of the coaching sessions was about asbestos. Do I bother with an asbestos survey before I do a renovation project? Well, this is what you need to do. You've got your car regulations, which is the Control of Asbestos Regulations 2012, and in that, any property built or refurbed before 2000 might contain asbestos. So you've got a duty of care and a legal obligation to get a refurbishment and demolition survey done. Not a management survey, it's a refurbishment and demolition survey before any work starts, because you don't want to be putting anybody at risk of disturbing asbestos and getting an asbestos related disease. So what you need to do, you need to book an asbestos survey in, give them a specific scope of works for the work that you're doing. So you need to know what you're doing anyway at this point. It's only going to cost you £300 or £400 to get this done. Ideally, you want to be there with the surveyor and walk around and show them exactly which walls are coming out, which bits are coming out, what's getting taken away, anything that they're going to disturb, floorings, walls, boxings, fireplaces, chimney breasts, walls that are coming out, everything, including outside, all your windows, any soffits, fascias. You need to be looking at undercloakings, or your rainwater pipes. It could be anywhere. You get asbestos products everywhere. And then they'll test what they think is, because these are trained people, so they will know whether these have got potentially asbestos containing materials. They'll take some samples, send it off to a laboratory, and then you'll get this analysis results and it'll come back in a report. That's the only way that you can tell that there is asbestos in a product. You can't just do it through observation. I know if you're experienced with asbestos products, you'll be able to tell that, oh, these floor tiles are normal asbestos, but you can't tell until it's been tested. Rainwater pipes, Artex, you can never tell, because one bit of Artex looks the same as another. But it's in lots of different things, but you must have an asbestos survey done before anything in that property has been disturbed. If the building was built after 2000, so if it's a 2005 property that you're maybe changing the kitchen because it's been 20 years, then you're okay. But anything built before 2000 might contain asbestos. So it's important that you do get an asbestos survey done, and that you let the people who are dealing in that property know where the asbestos is if you don't get it removed. Ideally, you want to be getting it removed. But if it is something like floor tiles, and you're not taking up the kitchen flooring, you're not damaging it in any way, and you're going to be covering it over, and they're down quite solid, then you can leave them in place and you can build on top of it. Ideally latex or something like that. But ideally you want to be taking away the floor tiles and anything else that's going to be people's way that they've got a chance of disturbing. So, we've learnt a little bit something, learnt a little bit of knowledge, and use it if you can. See you later.